Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to you and your family. So since it's Christmas, I thought of buying myself a new helmet. This is my old helmet, it's the Studs Thunder. It's my first helmet that I bought when I took a delivery of my first motorcycle, my Yamaha FZS V3. It's almost 5 years old and it's showing signs of aging. There are scratches all over the helmet. The color is getting faded and the rubber inside is getting loose. So I got myself a new helmet from Studs. I bought it online and you can see the packaging is damaged from every place. So let's see what we get inside. So here we have an extra visor. It's a dark visor with mirror finish. You can use it only for the days. And let's get the actual helmet out. So here's the new helmet, Studs Thunder. It's the exact same as my older model. The only difference is this: it has a spoiler behind as an accessory. It's a very eye-catching color actually. It's dark orange. It's nice gloss. It has a gloss finish. My older helmet had a matte finish, as you can see. It also has my stickers that I added from my riding groups. As you can see both the helmets. And here's a GoPro mount that I'll need to add in front on the chin. This is the air vent. And we have two air vents on top. This one. So this particular model I got for 1,800 from Amazon. I had a few Amazon vouchers that I used to buy this. Online the images looked like it was red color, but you can see it's dark orange. It's not very heavy as well. It's around 1,200 grams. This one I got from a local store and I paid for it around 1,500 rupees. I'll be taking my spare helmet to Goa, as I go to Goa quite often, so I can use it for my Goa rides. Do let me know in the comments which helmet did you like, the new one or the older one. Can't wait for it to take it on my Sunday ride. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, ride safe. Goodbye.